not sure what these guys are, but I'm gonna need to find their booth and figure out what that is. Oh, I actually want a whole one. It looks freaky. I don't know what you would catch with it. First saltwater lure is based off of baby squid and octopus. Oh, weird. It doesn't look anything like that, but it looks like a lot of fun. I can pull that up. Here's those lures I was talking about over at the new product showcase. And this here is Larry. He's the designer of these lures. These are fantastic. They're so alien and so spooky. I love them.
Electric chicken for you saltwater guys.
Electric chicken. So how do you rig something like this up?
All right, well, we're gonna have it two different ways. You're gonna have a line through, like this one is here. And then we also have a solid head that you can put your favorite jig head on top of, or you can do a single 10-aught hook, just a straight shank hook with a couple beads, and then run your line through if you want to also. But this is not as solid as a head. This is a more solid head here.
Yeah, it's pretty, and it's a hollow body there, so I like it.
Your favorite jig head here for this one, line through with this one with a 7, 8, 10-aught treble hook on the back, and then you can pick and choose your weights that you want to do.
Yeah, those are neat. Y'all might remember some of those I filmed over there too. Look at those weird little aliens. I love it. I love it.
That's the Jester.
Okay. Oh yeah, I can see. Like, yeah.
The King's Court Jester.
Yes, sir. Now this would, you just rig this up just like a regular jig, or even a Texas rig or anything like that?
Texas rig, 5-aught hook works the best on here because it'll get you out of the thicker body of the plastic and be able to Texpose it right here on the back side of it. Our 3-inch version, jig trailer, Ned rig, chatterbait, spinnerbait, buzzbait, the micro size. Helps you skip those baits right up under those docks. Same way with the 4 1/4 here also.
Yeah, it's like most of my viewers know that I'm a big plastics guy. I use the worms almost exclusively. I guess this is like your frog.
This is our Patriot, actually. It can be fished as a frog, but the head is so thin it's going to get ripped out real easy. So this bait was mainly designed for a drop shot bait.
Okay.
Being from the Northeast,
yes, sir. We
do a lot of finesse fishing, dragging a lot of neds, drop shotting a lot, shaky heads, things like that.
This would go over really well around here.
That's our glider, another drop shot bait, but you can put an open hook on the nose, hook it, and jerk it through the water like a small jerk bait.
Okay. What is your most unusual one you have? I've noticed. Oh, you got smaller versions of your Sentinel here. Look.
Yep, that's our Sentinel 2.
There's your little baby aliens there.
And then
I love that.
Our 2.875 version.
Now these could be set up as a Texas rig also.
#1 Hayabusa hook right here with a lightweight Texas rig. Works really well.
Yeah. So are these any of these set up to where you pull them through the water so we can see how they look?
We've got some back here.
That attracts some attention for sure.
And then this is our Jester, like I talked about, being used as a jig trailer.
Oh yeah, that's very active. Presentation's really nice on that. It looks crazy. So you can kind of see how he just sits in there.
That's
being, he's got a hook. He's got a hook in it, right?
Yep, that's being fished with an owner Ned head. Just a 1/8 ounce Ned head shoved up inside of it.
I'd like to throw it myself. Oh, that's kind of interesting.
That's our Trifinity worm. That's the worm that started it all for us. Caleb at 11 years old came to me and said, "Dad, we got to make a different worm."
Yeah.
I said, "What do you got in mind?" And he, about 6 or 8 times back and forth, here it is.
All right, that's cool. Yeah, I haven't seen a worm like that. I haven't seen it in Bass Pro or anything like that. Where do you sell it? usually?
Online.
On your website?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I'll make sure I put a link in the description for that.
JBroslures.com.
Excellent. Yeah, I'm glad I came over here. I was looking for y'all because I really wanted to take a closer look at some of these more like unusual designs. This is just really cool. Wow. And everybody who knows me. I like unusual stuff like this, and you know. So thanks, sir. I appreciate you very much.
I appreciate it.
All right, we'll be in touch.
Absolutely. Thank you.